All right, let's look at the bathroom plans. The bathroom plans, which is the first thing I would recommend that you build if you're going to go from this stage to the very next stage. The bathroom is the key. It's the focus of the whole entire trailer. In fact, this section here, because there's plumbing involved, is what you want to concentrate on. This is a vent, brand new, and that will either come out of there or will come further and come out of here depending on how I come up with this design of this piece. My recommendation is, I'm guessing it'll come out here. The bathroom doesn't really look like I've done much. You can see here where I have my hole basically going into a toilet hole, and here you can see where I've got my hot water heater. Like, everything is pretty much set up. The sink is what it is. All of the pieces of the puzzle and the template pieces are here. If I decide to use this sliding door here, the sliding door right here, if I decide to use that, I can, keeping the Airstream to its original kind of look. Okay, all I will do is replace the components, the cheap wood, or I may not do that and just find a cabinet that works well right here, brand new, you know. Kind of seems like that's the way to go. As far as this door, this whole shower thing, I know my drain is there. I'm guessing I'll just get the right shower. I mean, I could reuse this. I'm contemplating reusing it. It might be cheaper to reuse it. I did save it. I hear a lot of people talking about they wish they hadn't thrown their shower away and then they can use it again. See how that works? Well, all in all, in effect, all this is just a cheap wall with some, I mean, what is this? It's like horrible, you know? It's like this stuff, you know, it's like a laminate. I mean, you could do better with Christmas paper, for crying out loud, or for kitchen, you know, sticky peel and sticks. But that's the shower. Now, the ideal I had originally, right, was to, I'm not going to get in here full blown, but this is enough room to shower. This is not a small shower. I don't need to make this shower bigger. In fact, I actually almost think I could make it smaller. So that brings me to my next conclusion, which is right here, there's this space. Let me try to fix that here. All right, right here, okay, there is a needless wall, okay? Is that the way I like to put it? A needless wall. This wall was used in here, was for that accordion privacy thing that magnetized onto here. Now, I don't like it, and I don't want this wall even here, you know? It makes the trailer look even smaller. So I think what I will do is remove this wall completely. It's gone. Extend this, right, to this wall, and that way I've got more countertop space. And as far as this, as far as that, see that you can see back there, but there's actually a pipe. See that pipe? That's a ventilation pipe that goes all the way down underneath my shower into my tank. So that means then, therefore, this piece is not used. I mean, and look, this is kind of heavy. So we're looking at dumping quite a lot of weight there. This stupid mechanism here, which was going from there across to wherever it is here, you know, is gone. This wall is gone. The counter space is more. Sure, I'll have a little hole that I'll drill around, or a little U that I'll drill around for the, for the kitchen counter to go around. I'll still have that pipe that'll be like here, you know. Okay, but I'll hang herbs off of it. It'll be a decorative, you know, I can do all kinds of creative things. I can have a carousel unit here hanging off of it, you know, or you know, go to a bathroom store and use one of those, you know, those multi-level shower thingy-majiggy. So that's what I'm thinking about for there. So that wall is gone. This wall is gone. And let me just actually address what's going on with this vent. Same kind of thing. They had it covered up like it was, let me check this. Okay, that dripped a little bit, but not very much. Awesomeness. This hasn't been sealed yet because I still want to be able to move this in case I want to, you know, put it somewhere else or in case I need to remove it. But that's a ventilation hole again for your shitter. So, again, this wall here, I mean, a thick, heavy-duty wall. This wall here, thick, heavy-duty wall. I think how I'm going to build the shower, I'm going to use the same material, which is basically, I have an idea at this place called Gavrelli Plastics here in Los Angeles, to where I can actually get this wall, this door, this wall, and that wall out of the same material. And if not this wall, let me push this back here, sorry. Then this wall will be the corner. Let me get that fixed up here. There you go. All right, so that wall basically will, you know, will be the same as this wall. So I have a nice modern kind of plastic, acrylic plastic that you can saw through, all right? That will kind of be super nice and clean and modern. And I won't have to paint it. I won't have to do diddly, right? And the door will be made out of the same shit. And then the only thing I have to worry about is the cavity for my shower, which I will then take either use this or use something here, and it's, you know, redo that and redo all the way up, you know, the same material, so that way that will look really slick. That's my plan, to keep the original design, so you've kind of got something cool to go on. Now listen to this. Go to the next video, and I'll show you another needless wall.